I don't know about you, but I am severely annoyed with the spam comments on Facebook lately. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, take a look at these. Have you seen those? Yeah, comment on posts, and next thing you know, you're getting spam comments, replies to yours. It drives me nuts. It's these automated bots, and I finally started to figure out what to do about it. I put out a post on Facebook, and a whole bunch of people filled me in, and I figured I'd make a quick video to show you what to do also if you're experiencing these crazy bot comments on your posts. Here we go. All right, so first what you're going to do, now I am on the Facebook desktop version, and so you could probably do this in the app as well, but I mainly use the desktop version because I'm on Facebook when I'm working. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to come here, you go up to the top right to this little menu, click it, and you're going to go down here to Professional Dashboard. Now this is very important. In order for you to do this, you have to have your profile set to professional version. You cannot do this if it's set to, it's been so long, I don't know, but maybe it's the personal one or whatever, but you want to figure out how to set it to the professional side. Once you get into this little dashboard right here, you're going to come down right here to Moderation Assistant. You're going to click that and it'll pull up this right here. Now, as you can see, it's super simple. You can click Add, and there's all these criteria that you can go ahead and use. So if it is a new account, if you click this, look, it says if any one of these criteria are met, the comment will be auto hidden. Author has had their Facebook account for less than 1 week, for 1 week or less. So what happens is if they create their account, a lot of spammers create accounts and just kind of blow through them. So that will block it. If there's no profile picture, I do not like people commenting on my posts. I don't even like connecting with people that don't have profile pictures. So that's what I have set up. No friends or followers, another telltale sign that it is a spammer account. And I have that set up as well. Repeat offender. If any of these author has had at least 3 comments reported, deleted, or hidden by admins in the past 30 days. That's another one. Keywords in the comments. Now this is a big one because a lot of these comments tend to be pretty much similar. I get a lot of Forex, Bitcoin, BTC, and a lot of common words that they use. One of them is connect with so-and-so, you'll thank me later. So I set that in there, and these keywords will help eliminate that as well. And then of course, what you have is you have some more here too. If you want to block people that post links in their comments, you can block them. Okay, same thing. If the comment has a link, you can block them from saying it. Image in the comment. Now, I don't want to go that strict. If they have profanity, you can do that. Links to specific sites. So if you want to block a specific site from being shared, you can do that. And then, of course, if they put a video in the comment as well. So this is really good options. Again, you have to be in professional mode to use this, but this is a great way for you to stop these spam comments. Well, there you have it. Pretty simple to do and not hard. Takes you a couple minutes. You can get it all set up and avoid these annoying spam comments. Did you get value from this? If you did, leave me a comment below and make sure share this video with others if you think that they need help. And I appreciate you. If you have not subscribed, make sure you do that. I put out videos on a regular basis and I want to make sure that you get notified. All right. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.